Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create folder on a desktop. This empty space you are seeing here is called desktop. As you can see, there are some other folders already which people have created on this desktop. So I want to show you how you can create something like this. This is a folder. You'll have to right click on an empty space on a desktop using your mouse, and then you will go to new and you click folder. By doing that, it means that you have already created that folder. And if you want to rename this folder, you will right click and then you go to rename, and then you put any name you feel like. So this is how you can create folder and rename it. So if you want to take it to the next level in terms of creating some other folders within this folder that you have created, you will have to double click on the folder, and then you will see where they have written new. This one here, you click and then you create that folder, and you can click once again, you create another folder. So once that one is done, you can actually rename this first folder, and then you can just put any name, but for me I just want to put document. I want to name as document. And then the second one, I just want to say it is music. It is good to arrange your folder in this manner, because if I want to put documents here, I'll go to this folder and then I insert my documents here. And if I want to insert music, I'll go to this music folder and then I insert those music files here. So this is how people arrange their work using folders. By doing this, it means that you are a professional computer user.